The president's bill assumes, among others, liquidation of the disciplinary chamber of Supreme Court and creation of the Chamber of Professional Responsibility. The institution of the test of impartiality and independence of a judge is also to be introduced. You keep pointing out there is some original sin that disqualifies judges. Absolutely not. Please take a look at the last ruling of the issue, and that it directly indicates that there is no possibility of questioning in Polish procedures. The bill under discussion was adopted with the votes of 15 deputies. There were 7 against. Nobody abstained. The amendments to Solidarity Poland were included in the proposal to create a new institution that will verify the independence of judges. It is good news that an agreement has been reached, and this test remains with some modifications, but in such a fundamental shape which was proposed by the president. Earlier, neither the president's side nor the Solidarity Poland party wanted to step down from their positions. There was even a risk of a collapse of the United Right coalition. Zbigniew Ziobra's politicians point out that Poland faces blackmail from the European Commission, which strikes at the sovereignty of our state. It is a right-wing government, very important precisely from the point of view of Poland's sovereignty. We only emphasize that our coalition partners of law and justice should know and maintain the position of sovereign Poland in the European Union. The reform of the Supreme Court is to enable the implementation of the so-called milestones, for example, the conditions for unlocking money from the National Reconstruction Plan. We want to reach an agreement, but we believe that there should be no further escalation of expectations, demands, and these measures should be launched as soon as possible. The lawyer Sebastian Gajewski believes that the European Commission may not recognize the reform because the judges of the disciplinary chamber do not have to retire. It was about these other elements related to the fact that the judges of the disciplinary chamber were appointed at one time, and that a large proportion of these people are associated with the Minister of Justice and the Prosecutor General. The same will deal with the president's bill at the next meeting, which begins on Wednesday.